If this man can make 120,000 a year, I can do
Mhm.
the same. Natupad ko lahat yung gusto kong ma-achieve sa buhay now
Galing.
because of that hard work. Kung ang
Mhm.
iniisip mo lang magkapera,
Mhm.
magka-commission, don't do it. The secret is yung pakikisama sa tao or client. You need to put them first.